letting me alive because you made me born. Thank you for cooking me food, and thank you for taking me to all my schools, and thank you for taking me to a lot of places. I really appreciate it, Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, No. Thank you for buying me the clothes, and thank you for taking care of me well. Happy Mother's Day, I'm thankful for you because you cooked me food. Sarah. My mom's name is Chin. Lula. My mom's name is Nino. Anna. Jing. Jinlea. The boy. I know. 49. Hey. I think my mom is 28. 49. 17. 25. 32. 37. Luntang imo off. Charge her phone. Clean up. Wake up. Then health. Scream and sing my name. Sandra. Clean up and don't watch TV. My mom lets me play sleepy music, go eat food, and don't watch iPad. Vitamin D. Common cold. I'm pancake boys up. I'm mama cake boys up. Noodle, pasta, and salad. Egg. Salad and eggs. Spaghetti, potato, and noodle soup. Salad and egg. Pasta. My mom cooks eggs and fries. Things for the baby. A plushie. Just that. Diaper and Zumba. Diapers and bubble gums. Diapers and her wallet and wet tissue, money and cards. Canoeing, make up the diaper and and but the cake, pancake, and walk sock. The mall, the church, and home. Go to work, go to church, and let me go to school. Canoeing, boy, sock. To the mall. Store. Pick me up in school. Disneyland. Into work and then at the church. Church. in the morning. Cook and then play and then sleep. That's enough. She buys me my favorite toys because she almost does everything for me. She lets me watch iPad a little, and she always let me play sleepy music when I sleep, and she always let me play, and I play by myself, and she always make me food. I love you too. That she buys me clothes and take me somewhere that I don't know that is the shop called. Go to the water park and play in the playground.